Hi everyone. Today is the 16th of December, which means today is the 1 year of me doing YouTube. Yay! And today we're going to unbox a game console. It's a handheld game console, and it's this GamePoke. So I've never heard of this brand, and I just bought it because it's extremely cheap. It's like a Tetris. You can only play Tetris on it, and I have no idea what does these means, since I'm not a weeb. I don't watch much anime, so I have no idea what it said. But by the way, for reference, this is so small. Like, for reference, this is a Game Boy in like the size of it. You can like fit 5 3 or 4 of them right here. So yeah, let's open this up, and this looks kind of sus though. Yeah, no idea what this is. So yeah, let's open it up. So here's the console. It's okay. It's so tiny, and yeah, let's see if there's anything else in it. I see a box down there. Let's see what's inside it. Okay, maybe we should get it from the other side. Alright. Bro. Is there anything in it? Okay, maybe, yeah. Alright. Okay, it's a... Or you can, like... I know where you can, like, put this at. I don't see any holes you can... Oh, here, you can, like, put it here and, like... I don't know. And yeah, let's open this up. So here's the console. It's called GamePoke. I know it sounds kind of sus. Yeah, let's put this away. Bruh. Okay, okay. Start. Oh, it's. So which button should we press? Okay, stop. Okay, alright, stop. Okay, let's press SP. Let's try. Okay. I think it's select. I have no idea. Wait, it's not. Wait, I died? Huh? What? Alright. So it's not Tetris. Wait, it's Tetris right here. Okay, I'll figure this out, alright? So this is some kind of space game. Oh no, wait, why reset? Alright. Oh no, shut up. Alright, my fingers are too big for this. Okay, how do I change the level? Okay, this 9901. So okay, so we're in B. Okay, C, D, E, F, but they look the same. Is there oh, I think this is Tetris. Yeah, this is Tetris. Let's press select. Wait, it's not Tetris. Rotate. Alright. Oh no, what the hell? Oh. Okay, let's try. Oh wait, bad idea. Oh, bro, the controls are really bad. Oh, wait. Let's try. Bro. Okay, I can't see. Like, why is it floating? Bro, it froze. It froze. Oh yeah, alright. So It reset it. Okay, let's try installing this in. I guess it's from here. I don't know, maybe I'll find this useful sometime. I don't know. Maybe when I'm bored. Because long time ago, wait, I have a, oh, whoa. I have a similar, uh, oh wait, I couldn't find it. Never mind. I actually have a something similar to this thing. So, and it broke like in a half year. So, yeah, and because, I don't know, maybe like I put it in my pocket and it just kept accidentally pressing it. But yeah, let's try putting this in to make this video longer and not that boring, because there's nothing interesting. All right, just kidding. I can't. I just too dumb to put this in. So yeah, let's see if there's any other games. So this is a space one, I guess. So I do like, I died. Alright. Okay, fuck you. I died again. So let's wait. Okay, I killed one of them. Can I crash into them? Yeah, I can. I can block not to let them rotate. Oh, I died. Bruh. Okay, this was so bad. This is so bad, and I hate this music. I hate this, I don't know, 4-bit music. I have no idea. So yeah, that's much it. Overall, I think this looks pretty cool because the yellow, and it's actually pretty well made. Actually, the buttons are not. Oh, there's a little jiggle, like if you really. But yeah, overall, the quality is really great because, you know, made in Japan. Wait, it says made in Japan. Oh no, it's not made in Japan. I accidentally praised something made in China. Oh hell no. No. Okay, so yeah, that's much it. Comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time, maybe. So yeah, goodbye.